Este, inițiatorul de la observa. Trebuie să maconicea studenții zic că el lucrează.
Dr.Cough is an application that helps people to diagnose their respiratory disease and motivates them to go to the doctor. Moldova is the first country in the Europe by the number of people that are suffering from tuberculosis. So the concept of our app is to solve this problem, to help to reduce the number of people suffering from respiratory disease and to give them a probable diagnosis that will motivate them to go to the doctor. If it's something very serious, they will know that it is very urgent to go to the doctor.
So we open the app, and here we have the start page. Dr.Cough will diagnose the respiratory disease, so we have to take the test. Press and hold the red button and cough. While you're holding, then we have to analyze the symptoms and answer to some questions like, do you feel pain in your throat? You can answer either yes or no. Do you have headache? Do you feel chills sometimes? Do you have muscular pain? Do you feel chest pain? And here we have the result. So we possibly have flu, 40%, and just 1% of bronchitis.
How does our app work? The client responds to some questions regarding his symptoms and also registers the sound of his coughing. All this data is sent to the server.
The server accepts this data and analyzing this, and after that he have a response and give this response to the client.
The client gets this data and displays a probable diagnosis.
To give our users a remarkable experience, we've also done some competitive analysis, and searching through different sources, we found out that there are some similar applications that give information about different diseases, but none of them could analyze the sound of coughing. So that is our strong point. We've created a user-friendly interface and design, but at the same time it combines the innovating technology.
The features of our application are diagnose the respiratory disease, analyze the cough and the symptoms and show the result, uses a neural network to collect data and improve the accuracy of the result, and collects data that is stored and can be further used for medical purposes, analysis and statistics.
Bună ziua! Puteți să-mi acordați câteva minute? Noi am creat o aplicație, poftim, care determină bolile respiratorii, ajută la diagnosticarea bolilor respiratorii. Și am vrut să vă întrebăm cât de des ați folosit această aplicație.
Da, e foarte bine ceva. Mi-a arătat că pot să am viroză la 40%.
Dumneavoastră ați folosit această aplicație?
Da, cred că da. Când eu stau cu copil acasă și mi-e greu să mă duc la medic în fiecare dată.
We have a Facebook page to promote our application where we post different facts about respiratory diseases.